In this video we'll do a little factoring and check our work with a very powerful online calculator. Our first job is to factor x squared plus 7x plus 12. We want to rewrite this polynomial with two of its factors. Alright, we know to get x squared that we must use x times x. Now to get 12 we could either use 1 times 12, 2 times 6, or 3 times 4. But looking at the middle term, we need the factors of 12 that we choose to add up to 7. So let's see here. I'm trying to think of two numbers that multiply to make 12 that add up to 7. We can use this handy little graphic organizer to help us think about this problem. 3 times 4. Those multiply to make 12 and they also add up to 7. So the factors must be x plus 3 and x plus 4. Now let's check our work with the online calculator Wolframalpha. I'm going to type in factor x squared plus 7x plus 12. Notice I use the caret button to get the exponent. It's thinking, and there are the factors, and we even have some graphs to go along with this. Interesting that the graph crosses the x-axis at -3 and -4. But up here we have the factors x plus 3 and x plus 4, and that's just what we got over here. Let's try one more. We need a factor of 2x squared plus 15x plus 7. So we notice that there are not any like terms that we can factor out first. To get 2x squared, we must be multiplying 2x times x. And to get the 7, we must be multiplying 1 times 7. Now to get the middle term to add up to 15x, we need to have our middle products add up to 15. So to get a number that large, we're going to need to multiply the 2x times 7 and the 1 times the x, because 2x times 7 is 14x, 1 times x is 1x, and 14x plus 1x is 15x. And we have our factors. Let's check it with our online calculator, Wolframalpha. Alright, Wolframalpha did the job again. The factors of 2x squared plus 15x plus 7 are 2x plus 1 and x plus 7. In this short tutorial, we've seen that Wolframalpha is a nice way to check our factoring work. It's important to know how to factor by hand, just like it's important to know how to multiply by hand. We don't always multiply by working things out the long way. A lot of times we'll use the calculator. Same thing with factoring. It's important to know how to factor by hand, and sometimes it's faster, but other times it's handier just to use an online calculator.